Dear students, welcome to your next class for training of QuickBooks Enterprise 2024. In our previous class, we have learned how to create a chart of account in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now in this class, we will see how to create a new product in QuickBooks Enterprise. In order to create a new item in QuickBooks, on the top of the screen you will find one menu list. In this list, the second option after the chart of account, you will find item list. Just click on this. When you click on it, you will find a list of all the items which you have already created in QuickBooks. So here we have only one item, HP laptop. We have 5 pieces in our stock, and the another item is sales tax item. Okay, sales tax code we have created here. Now we will go and create a new item. So here we will select inventory part, not service. This is the inventory part we are creating. So just I will give one code, item name or number. You can give any number for this item, or you can give a smart description of the item, like this is for Dell laptop. I am creating one code. So 102, I will write here Dell hyphen i7. Okay, so this is the smart code. Then from here, category, I have created one category, the computers and laptops. Okay, if you want to create activate the unit of measure, so you can create it, enable unit and unit of measure, single unit per minute, multiple unit per item. If you create single unit, next it will give you further these options that you will count your inventory by count, by length, by weight, how you will count it. So I will just cancel it, because for the laptop this it is not the requirement to create unit of measure. So next I need to give the purchase description, the description which will come on the purchase invoice. So I will write here complete laptop, model name Dell, latitude, core i7 512 SSD and 16 GB RAM. Then it is asking me what is the cost of this laptop. I will mention that this the cost of the item is 1,425. Then when I press tab, it will ask me what is the cost of goods sold account. So when you click on the drop down arrow, you will it will open for you the complete chart of account. Here cost of goods sold account we have 2. If I want to create a separate cost of goods sold account for the computers and equipment, I can create it by just go here and add new. Okay, so I can give it COGS laptops. Okay, if I want to see cost of goods sold for the laptops in my report separately, I can do it. Otherwise I can use create cancel, and I can use the same cost of goods sold account which is already created in the system, that all this cost of goods sold will come in this ledger. Then the preferred vendor, I will select Abdullah Computer Trading. This I have created here. If any other and it is not coming in the list, I can go to the add new, and I can add the vendor name here, and this company name and his phone number, email address, everything. So it will come in the list also. So just cancel. For now I will select just Abdullah Computer Trading. After that I will press tab. Then it will come to the description on the sales transaction. If you want to mention the same description here, or you want to add anything, you can add here. Okay, like you can mention here 8th generation on the sales invoice. Okay, then here the sales price, you can mention that 1,425 I buy it, I will sell it by 1,700. when you press tab, then it will come to the tax code. So tax code, is it chargeable to VAT or not? If it is not, you can select non-taxable item. If it is chargeable to VAT, you will select it is taxable. Okay, then in the income, it will ask you the income account where the sales of this item will go. So it will open for you when you click on the drop down arrow, that this is the list of all the income heads you have created in your chart of account. So here I have sales for home appliances, sales for medicine, sales for mobile accessories. Here sales IT equipment. I will click here. Then after that it will ask me what is the asset for your inventory, asset account in your inventory, for your inventory. So I have in my chart of account inventory asset, in other current assets coming, so I will choose the same. Reorder quantity, how much the minimum stock when you have, you need to order again. So I will mention 10 pieces. The maximum quantity in my stock should be 100, not more than 100. I will not keep with me. Then on hand, how much I have, I will mention the 10 pieces I have already on hand. So it will calculate the total value by multiplying the cost. So 10 units multiply by 1425. So total value of this item is 14,250. The inventory asset value will be like this. So just I will press OK. Are you sure you want to change the transaction? Yes. So now it will create, and it has created one code here. So I have here two inventory items, like 101 HP laptop i7, then 102 Dell i7. So the second important thing we will see, that I have one Excel file here with almost 322 products. I have the quantity for each product, for each product number, and the cost price and the selling price. I have this, and I want to import all of these items in QuickBooks. I don't want to enter one by one all of these, it will take too much time. So let us see how we can import this data in QuickBooks. So when I come here, so in QuickBooks, just to review once again, when we are creating a new item, what are the important information QuickBooks is asking us? Item name or number, we have it. Purchase description and the sales description also we have. The cost price we have, selling price we have. But this is the cost of goods sold account, it will ask me, and I do not have this in Excel. Just copy this cost of goods sold account and create here. Insert some columns here. So first of all I will write here that COGS account. So COGS account will be the cost of goods sold account as it is created in my software trial balance. The next item, QuickBooks will ask me what is the income account. So income account, for I have here already sales medicines. So these are the medicine codes. So I will just click sales medicine. This account I will copy and paste here. Here I will give the title income account and drag this till the end of my sheet. Cost of goods sold account we added, sales account we added. Then it is asking me the asset account for the inventory. So in my trial balance I have inventory asset account. So just copy this also and paste, drag it till end. Asset account. Then the next thing, it is asking me what is the tax code, is it chargeable to tax this item or not. So the text code is text. Okay, so just select this text code also and paste it here. So these are the important things. If I want to define reorder point also, and maximum stock level also, if I want to define it, I can define here. And quantity on hand, if also I have here, yes, quantity on hand I have here, quantity on hand, yes, it is there. So these things I have already there. So just I will now go and start importing data in my QuickBooks file. Just cancel this. Then if you come to the list menu, there you will find add, edit, multiple entry list. When you click here, it will open for you one window. So you can change multiple customers, you can change multiple vendors, multiple service items, inventory parts. Now we are discussing inventory parts, so we will choose inventory parts. When you choose inventory part, it will give you the two items that do you want to change it, anything for the cost price, for sale price, for cost of goods sold account. You can choose from here any other account. So but this is not our subject, we just want to import all of these items there. So now we need to map this sequence of this file with QuickBooks. So I have here the first one is item name or number. So if I go to customize columns, here in the right top corner we have customized columns. So item name I have already on the top. The next one is product name. This product name also we will split in, because in QuickBooks it is asking me the purchase description separately and the sales description separately. So what we will do, just we will insert another column and just copy all of this, Control C and Control V. So this is the purchase description and this is the sales description. Normally companies are using the same purchase and sales description. So in special cases, just we want to change our sales description separate other than the purchase description, but we will keep it same as it is. So the purchase description is on the second. So okay, no problem, we have here also on the second number. Then third item is sales description, but the sales description here it is coming down. So what we will do, we will select this one and move up. So after purchase description, when it will come, I will leave it. And then the next item I have purchase description, sales description. The next I have quantity. So quantity I have here quantity on hand. This is the one. This I will move it up. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's going up. Next to sales description I want it, so move it down. So after sales description I have here quantity. Now it is the next one is cost of goods sold account. So this cost of goods sold account, one number up. Okay, so after quantity on hand I have cost of goods sold account. Then the next one is income account. So income account also I will move it up. Then asset account, inventory asset account also I will move it up. After the income account it will be the asset account. Then the tax code, where is the tax code? Sales tax code, this one. Okay, so this also I will move it up. After the asset account I will have the sales tax code. Then I have the cost price already there. After that I have sale price, so sale price is also there. Reorder I don't want it, remove it. Total value I don't want it, remove it. Manufacturer part number I don't want it, remove it. Lot number I don't want. Lot number not in inventory, remove. Category, remove. Sale price, after the cost I have the sale price here. Okay, so now all of these columns I have make a sequence as per my Excel file. Just when I will click OK, so it will change for me. See, item name, purchase description, sales description, quantity on hand, cost of goods sold, income account. So all these are now in sequence. Now once I have added all the important things which QuickBooks will ask me for the each item, the cost of goods sold account, income account, asset account, tax code, the category, so all these things I have added. Now I will just copy all of this data, okay, without the headers. Okay, I will leave the headers and copy this data. Then I will come back to QuickBooks, and from the first blank cell I will just click here. When my mouse is blinking here, I will just make Control V to paste all of this data. Control V. So now after pasting all the data, all the information is coming in the QuickBooks from the Excel, the cost price, the stock value, everything is there. Now I will just press the save changes, and it will create all of these items within a minute. See, it is saving records. This is very important and facility in QuickBooks Enterprise, that you can import all of your inventory items, your customers, your vendors, your chart of account, everything you can easily from the Excel you can import this data. So as you can see, these 322 inventory item records have been saved. Okay, so now when I will go to see my stock, just close it. I will go to my item list. Before, you can see that here I have only 2 items. Now all of these inventory codes are created here. I have the stock for each one. If I go to report center in my inventory, okay, inventory valuation summary, I can see that all of, for under the medicine I have this one, under the laptops I have these items, under medicine I have these inventory items. For each item I have the stock, the cost of average cost, and the asset value is there. So like this we can export all of our products if we have it in Excel within 5-6 minutes. Just you shape your data and you can import your data in QuickBooks very easily. I hope you have perfectly learned all the things we have discussed in this session. If you find this course beneficial, give the course 5-star rating and share it with your friends. Thank you.